Okay, let's go for a quick test drive. I do have it in Sport Plus. Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, anything like that. So starting with the front right wheel. That wheel looks amazing. I don't see any curb rash. Here on the fender, got a rock chip right there. Rest of that looks good. That lower side looks awesome. Here on the side mirror, see two tiny rock chips. The rest of that looks good. A-pillar looks perfect. That door looks really nice. Looking on the door edge, I'm not seeing any chips. There's a really faint scuff right there. There's a graze mark right here. If you can see that, it did go through the paint. It's about 4 inches wide and hit the top and that bottom section just a little bit. A couple small rock chips. I do see some PPF on the door cups in there, protecting that from fingernail scratches. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. That quarter panel looks good. Upper rail looks nice. I mean, this side is very, very clean. Here on the front end, those headlights look good. I see a rock chip right there. A very small one here. And one right there. You're gonna have some rock impacts as well where they put a little indentation in the bumper but didn't chip the paint. There's a chip right there. Overall though, this front end is really, really clean. I'm not finding very many of these little rock chips. Then here on the back left quarter panel, looks amazing. These wheels look awesome. I don't see any curb rash. That door looks good. Here on that door edge, got a little chip right here and a tiny scuff right there. It's not that deep, it's actually, and then we have a little scuff here. I think that's more on the surface. I think it's worse than it looks. A tiny little scuff there. Like I said, those door cups have PPF on them to protect from fingernail scratches. That side mirror looks amazing. A-pillar's clean. This wheel does have some curb rash, and so we will send that off to get repaired. The paint looks amazing. Other than that, this side looks really good. There's not much to pick apart on it. Then looking at the back, you do have your factory tow package, which is really nice. That tail light looks good. Got a little scuff there, a couple minor ones. A little graze mark here that took a little bit of paint off. And there is a really light scuff on that taillight. All very minor stuff. You got to be really close to see it. The rest of this looks awesome. Here in the cargo area, you got the Porsche mat. All that carpet looks clean. You can see all this trim looks really nice. You got the cargo cover. Of course, it is power. And then to open it, the button is actually right here. It's nice and hidden. The underside of the hood is really clean. as well as the engine bay and all of the plastics. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it smells really, really good in here. Has a nice fresh scent to it. All these buttons look good. Got a tiny scuff here and there, very minor. The rest of that panel looks awesome. Got the memory seating. A couple minor scuffs on the kick plate. You got the really nice all-weather mats. That bolster's really clean. Got a little bit of wear on the piping right here from getting in and out, but other than that, that cushion looks good. The rest of the seat looks nice. Got a couple tiny little fingernail scuffs on the steering wheel. Those buttons look nice, 28,000 miles. All of these buttons look good. Armrest looks nice. Upper side of the dash here. All of that leather looks really good. Looks really, really nice. Here on the back right door panel, looks amazing. This section looks perfect. Kick plate area is nice and clean. These seats look really good. And they are heated back here. And then here on the back left door panel, I do see a little scuff here and there. That trim looks good. These seats look really nice. They have that nice matte finish to them. Seat backs look good. Really not much to pick apart back here. Here on the front right door panel, got a couple scuffs right there. Those buttons look good. All of that looks clean. It's got the memory seating here on this side as well. This trim looks awesome. Got the nice mats here. Looking at that seat, that bolster looks good. This one's super clean. I'm not seeing any imperfections there. Couple little scuffs here. Glove box looks nice. Upper side of the dash looks amazing. This side is very clean.